Indian Space Research Organization (ISRO) successfully launched the space docking experiment Spadex mission last night. Isro's PSLV C-60 rocket carrying two spacecraft that would aid in demonstration of space docking lifted off from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota. PSLV C-60 successfully deployed two satellites SDX-01, the chaser, and SDX-02, the target, in low Earth orbit shortly after its launch. The two spacecraft will now be directed towards achieving space docking in the next 10 days. Spadex aims to demonstrate advance in space docking technology, a crucial capability for future missions, including lunar expeditions and the Bharatiya Antariksh Station (BAS). The United Democratic Party